Yo, what's up? My name's Dave and you suck at programming. All right, let's get started. Today we're talking about parsing file names in Bash. Okay, so what do we have? We have a directory called files, and inside that we have one file. As you can see, it's named Fun Family Party, then there's a hyphen, and then there is a date stamp here, and then there's an extension. It's a .jpeg. Cool. What do we want? Well, we want to parse it to look like want.txt. As you can see, we have the date here with a colon, and then the name to the right without the extension. So how are we going to do this? Well, here's the way you guys think is good. This is the cringe way of doing it. This is the wrong way of doing it. Here we go. Let's take a look. What do we do in Bash? Okay, we loop over the files. Cool. And for each file, first thing we do is we get the base name. Fine. This chops off the directory in front of it and just leaves us with the name of the file. Cool, fine. We get the name of it by echoing the base name into cutting it on hyphens and grabbing the first field. Fine. We get the date by cutting it on hyphens and grabbing the second field and everything thereafter. Okay, fine, that works, but we have to get rid of the extension. Okay, so we cut it on a period, and then we only keep the first thing to the left of the first period, fine, and then we pipe that to xargs echo. It's kind of a weird way of getting rid of the white space at the beginning and end of the line. And then we echo the date and the name. Well, does this work? It does work, but it's very brittle. It's exceptionally brittle. There is a better way of doing this. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's really cool because Bash supports Regex. We can use this. If you've never seen Regex before, this is gonna look way more complicated. You might wanna go learn how that works. This is outside the scope of this video, but Bash can support this without any external tools. So what do? We loop the files. We say if the file name is equal to tilde, look at that, equal tilde right there, that's important, equal to the regex that we have up here. That means that it matched, and there's a new variable created for us, bash rematch. This is regex match, and you can see that we grab the first field, which is the name, and the second field, which is the date. So the first field is what comes here, and the second field is what comes here all the way to those parentheses. And then if we run this, we can see that there were no external commands forked. It was just Bash doing regex matching on its own. So that is a base way of doing regex matching in Bash.